Hi, I'm Richard, and today I want to introduce you to Vance Hines Motorsports PowerPak. PowerPak is a standalone engine management system offering boundless tunability and advanced data acquisition capabilities. Designed for seamless plug-and-play integration, mounting in your stock ECU location and plugging directly into your stock wiring harness. What makes PowerPak any different? Well, that answer is simple. No more limitations to what you can do. That's the game changer. PowerPak offers all of the key features for precisely tuning fuel and ignition maps. However, we take it a step further with data acquisition live and recorded, closed loop fuel tuning, gear position, infinitely programmable map modes, launch control, and we're still only talking the basics. Install PowerPak in just a few minutes and unlock the world at your fingertips.